How to make Google Chrome honor my Windows DPI setting. Google Chrome doesn't seem to respect my DPI setting in Windows. I run at 150p, but Chrome ignores that, meaning that images and text are teeny tiny. I hit Ctrl++, Ctrl++ to zoom in. Unfortunately, every new tab or new window defaults to the 100% teeny tiny zoom level. Update: it's also important to note that you cannot click buttons in Flash, for example YouTube videos, because Chrome mishandles mouse coordinates. Fixed it's .0.472.55. Is it possible for either? Chrome to respect my Windows DPI setting. Chrome to remember my zoom preference. Checked version 4.1.249.1045. Half fixed. While Chimay still doesn't honor the Windows DPI setting, it does now remember your zoom level. Version 5.0.375.55. 5/8 fixed. While Chrome still doesn't honor the Windows DPI setting, it does now offer a default page zoom option. Unfortunately, there is no zoom level that matches my current DPI setting, 136%, 131p. Version 10.0.648.133. Zoom flag. I tried Skodak's suggestion of the new hidden DPI flag. It's truly awful. It seems to cause Chrome to simply rescale the final rendered window, causing text to become blurry, rather than sharper.
It's a known bug with Chromium, the program on which Chrome was built upon. Be sure to star it. Update: more up-to-date related bug report, enable highdpi support in Vista, Win 7 and Win 8.
With Chrome 44.0.2403.9 DevM, 64-bit, I have a problem where only a few websites are rendered extremely small. What is working for me is to use the Chrome Div tools to emulate a different device. Ctrl+Shift+I to open the Chrome Div tools. Ctrl+Shift+M to toggle device mode on, if it isn't already on. In the device drop menu at the top left of the screen, select a mobile device, for example a tablet with a large display resolution like the Nexus 10. Ctrl+Shift+I to close the Chrome Div tools. This causes the page to be rendered normally for me, but you may need to select one of the laptop devices, after selecting one of the mobile devices, to get the page to render correctly for you.
Update, September 5, 2014. Chrome 37 now supports highdpi. For example, the bookmark bar icons are scaled. The bookmark bar text is scaled. The address bar text is scaled. The tab icon and text is scaled. Extension icons are scaled. The customize icon is scaled. Now Chrome just needs to improve its rendering speed so it's as fast as E. But this is a great day.
I had this question and found this answer that was posted somewhere else. Go to Chrome column / flag / #highdpi support. It is not perfect because it isn't fully supported yet, but it is exactly what you were looking for. It fixed the problem for me. A few buttons are missized, but it is much better.